Today we're going to take you on a high-level run-through of how to make a booking in Zeno. The Zeno dashboard displays customizable tiles that can be tailored to your needs, such as quick access contact details for your travel expert, communications for important messages, upcoming or draft bookings, and a map view of upcoming trips. So let's go ahead and create a new booking. Zeno will default to your personal profile if you're a traveller. But if you're booking for someone else, simply select who is travelling and individual reservations will be made for each traveller, whether it's 2 people or 10. You can also choose the modes of travel you need for your trip. After your first booking, Zeno will use the same selections next time to speed up the process. Today we want to book flights, accommodation and a rental car. If a home airport is not stored in your Zeno profile, Zeno will ask, where are you travelling from? Enter your departure airport or city code to begin the booking process. Choose the preferred date and departure time. If you are returning to the same destination, you can click Going Home instead of specifying a return location. Then select Preferred Return Date and Time. Zeno will automatically update the accommodation and rental car details based on your flight selections. The plus icons on screen allow you to remove or add extra modes of travel or book a complex multi-city trip. Clicking the plus icons will let you set up your travel in manual mode, which runs step by step, rather than having accommodation and other travel elements automatically populate based on your flight selections. If you are booking a standard return trip, you shouldn't need to use the plus icons. To edit car pickup or drop-off locations, simply click Edit and adjust like so. To change the location of your hotel, for example, if you'd like to stay closer to the airport instead of the CBD, click Edit. Then either enter the address here, selecting an existing location, or adjust the location on the map to your desired area. You can also search for the hotel by its name or filter by office location. Your cost centre should be set in your profile, so usually there's no need to change this. To apply your selection, click Continue to Itinerary at the bottom of the page. Zeno is now preparing your recommended itinerary. A unique feature of Zeno is that the search results for every mode of a trip are surfaced on one screen, centralising all your travel information into a single connected itinerary and making the booking process simpler and faster. For your initial bookings, the suggested options are curated using the corporate travel policy as a guide. If you ever need to go back a step in the booking process, simply click on the phase you'd like to go back to. For example, Setup from the progress bar, also known as the jump list, located at the top of the Zeno screen. On the left here, you can see the summary itinerary view and express checkout. Once you're happy with what's there, you can move to checkout instantly and complete a booking in just a few clicks. The flights you see displayed here are in the suggested view, which takes your company's travel policy into account when surfacing options. People like to see information in different ways, so it's also possible to compare travel options more closely in a list or grid view. Zeno remembers your preferred view for each mode of travel and will automatically present options in the same way next time. Everything you need to know about flights, accommodation and rental car options is shown in a single display, so it's easy to make an informed decision on the spot. If you're happy with what's displayed in the recommended itinerary, you can simply move on to confirm your booking. To select a different flight or fare type, you can expand sections to view more details and choose your preferred options. Available amenities are listed as shown, with unavailable items grayed out. You can select a car option and also view the depot hours for the car rental location here. Similarly, you can adjust your accommodation or available room options. To view the rate rules for your selected room, just click here. You can expand here for more details such as photos, details, location maps and reviews. Once you've reached this stage, you can continue straight to the confirmation screen to finalise the booking using Express Checkout. You can also head to the Extras page before confirming your booking. which allows you to view flight seating, add extra baggage, confirm any special requests from your profile, and add upgrades like navigation to your rental car. At the confirmation page, you can review your travel selections, then add any additional information your company's travel policy requires, such as a reason for travel or why an out-of-policy option was selected. These items will be reviewed by your manager or travel approver. Then you can submit your trip for approval. It's that simple. We hope you enjoyed learning about Zeno, the fastest and easiest way to book corporate travel.